Hey guys, I'm back with a new unboxing. So this is my current stash. I got a couple normal sparklers, some novelties, regular sparklers, and have get into it, and some of the regular fountains. And then so we'll just get started with. I currently just got a new box in. Second. It's always difficult opening a box with one hand. I don't know how people do it, but props to them. I bought some fountains and then hoping that feel pretty decent fountains. Okay, got some paper. So glad I got paper. So I have After the Hunt by Real Tree Fireworks. That seems pretty sick. Leave that on the side. A couple Brothers Fireworks, or Brothers Ladybugs. These spinners go up in the air. I swear I had one of them. I swear that I bought one of them, and there's two, but oh well. I'll take two. That's better. Bamboo sparklers. I'm not sure if these are the regular sparklers, but I mean they're by Little Patriot, so I mean they must be good because they're by Little Patriot. So some novelties. The Camilo flowers. Interested to see what these are gonna do. I don't think I have any of these before. Lizzie Dizzies, novelties, another Lizzie Dizzy. I swear I bought one, but another Camilo flowers. Camilo flowers. I can't really say it correctly. Cat fight by Black Cat. I don't know if this was a good firework, but safe and sane. Quality, safety. I think it was but I found some. And then we have the Crackling Thunder by Mega Banger. It's gonna be interesting. And then I have a couple two hot sauces. Right. Dream Flower by Window Fireworks. And then we have, this is heavy, Brothers Bling Bling 36 shots. Green Bling Bling with purple stars and red, blue, and white Bling Bling. Wow. Well then. And then barcode, yeah. That's pretty sick. Man, that thing's heavy. It's almost like it has concrete inside. Yeah, this is giant. Oh, Jesus Christ. This is like almost the whole size of the box. Brothers called Glitz It Up. And what does it do? I have no idea. Apparently it's a safe and sane. It's interesting. Silver flowers with red pearls, white chrysanthemum with blue pearls, blah blah blah. It's a giant fountain. I didn't expect it to be giant. I think that's it. Oh wait, one more. Hide in the corner. Got it. I think that's it. I forgot what this is. Goddamn bags. It's the bane of my existence. Jesus Christ. Some of these, I have no idea what these are. I think you plant them in the ground. Consumer fireworks, 1.4 grams. Flammable, explodes. I should light it right here. Got It comes in like 6, 5, 7. Wow. Yeah, so this is what I got for today. Small unboxing. And then what I currently have, I have some silver rope sparklers. About like 7 boxes. That comes in 8. They were like pretty cheap. I think I was given to these for free. And then ecstasy. I got some pure fantasies. Cozy cone. Can't wait to try that out. You can't be wrong with a mini pyro firework. Lasts for over a minute. And can't wait to try out the bare knuckles firework. Have the root beer keg. Do stop. This trash firework that I did not want, but they threw it in for me. And then I have the Wanna Play game, which I heard is really good. And a couple bad boys. Fireworks. Or fountains. Let's see. Yeah. And then I have like a giant firework. I forgot what it's called. Oh, it's called Freak Show, right? Yeah. Might get a little bit more fireworks. I don't know. I mean, this is like a small stash, but I can't wait for this July 4th. But let me know in the chat, like what other fireworks are good. I mean, I'm interested in knowing. And hope you guys have a good July 4th. I'll see you in the next video.